I'm on a cross-country trip from Arizona to New Jersey. I've been driving about 8 hours, and I think what happened is there was a piece of a tire on the road, and it hit the front of the car. And shortly thereafter, the icon that the driver assistance came on. The one that's, what is it? The blind spot. Hold on, I just found this. Forward collision avoidance. There's like an icon that has two little cars and an arrow showing that like a car would be colliding into another. And my question is, safe for me to drive because the closest Kia dealership is 156 miles away from me.
Got it. So yes, it's
To drive. Okay, it just means that the forward avoidance assistance is not working, correct?
you got it. Yep.
Okay, car is safe to drive, so I could actually get this checked out in New Jersey, or do I need to get
That's
this checked
correct.
out right away?
So, mechanic, psychics, we're not genies. I can't guarantee that everything's going to be fine. However, I feel comfortable driving the vehicle, some time before I get this looked at. In fact, we actually get a lot of vehicles in the shop where lights like this are on, and the customer's like, yeah, I've been driving like that for months. So I think it's a safety issue, and I don't think it's a reliability issue. So I think you're going to be just fine driving until you get to your dealership.
Oh, that would be okay. You mean the dealership 156 miles away?
Yeah. Well, I couldn't predict the future. I can't tell you if it's going to break down either which way, but I would feel comfortable driving the car for a few days with this light on.
Okay. That's okay. That was information that I needed to that it's safe to drive.
Yep.
Okay, great. That we needed. Thank you. Bye.
Welcome. Bye-bye.